Yes, so this is a follow-up video to the test on photo video. So we had looked at how you can use test on photo to make photo tests. That means to write tests and save them as pictures. These pictures can be used for designs or for whatever reasons you want them to be used for, but we're looking at majorly for design. So if you've not seen that video, you should check it out. I'll put a link in the description or anywhere in this channel. So now we are looking at the second option, which is the test swag. The test swag, it actually operates like a test on photo, but we have a few differences, and we are going to look at them now. So I'm just going to tap on the test swag. It's on the Android Play Store for free, so you can download it and try it out too. So I'll open the app now. So when you open the app, this is how it's going to come. So at the down part, you see where it gives you album and camera, right? So we are trying to use a picture we have already. So I got a picture already, so we're just trying to make a test appear on this picture. All right, so we are not going to snap the picture now, so we are going to our album. So from here, you're going to decide if you want to use a background. As you can see, they have a lot of fine free background that you can use for your designs. From here you can see that you can use this one for quotes, but that's not what we want to do. And if you want this text to appear on a plain background, this is the one you should use, the transparent background, the first option. So whatever you write here is going to be saved as a transparent picture, so you can just pick it and drop it into your designs. So I'm just going to pick a picture so you see how this works. So we're going to use that we're going to pick our picture from the library. The library option is at the top here, so I'm just going to tap on it. So it takes you to your phone gallery. So I'm doing this on mobile because it's a mobile app. It's a mobile app, so you can do this on mobile. So I'm just going to use this picture. It's supposed to be a mock-up design. So from here you can select the frame you want to use it for. So I'm going to use 1:1. I'm going to use 1:1 and just scale it to the end, because we are looking more at using them on Instagram. So you selected the frame you want, so you click on crop to continue it. So now this is where the font part is. Once you double tap on it, then you can write whatever you want to write. In the last video I used I am king, so I'm just going to use I am king here again to make everything uniform. So I've selected my I am king. You can type whatever you want to type there. So once you're done, you click on done. So you see this is I am king. So I can equally reduce it here. And now when we come to the text option, you can see that we have some kind of differences to the test swag. So I had used this style before, that's why it went there automatically. So I'm just going to start from the first one. So you see that has changed, and for each time you tap it, it's going to be giving you a different design of that text. All right, so here it gives you more flexibility than the text on photo. So you can see you're having different options to work with. You see that? I think that's cool. So you select what you want to do with it. All right, you select the very one you like, and then you can move it about too, just like you have on the text on photo. So you can keep it there, or you rotate it or you rotate it to whatever angle you want. This depends on your design idea. All right, so you can equally do this on, you pick another font. That's another font I've gone to now. So you can, each time you tap it, you can see it's giving you a new option, a new design, so you can do whatever you want there. So we're going to the third option. So you can see that the fonts are not the same and the styles are not the same. Again and again. So you have a lot of them and you pick as you want. All right, so that's for the sample. From here you can change the color. You can change the color to whatever you want. All right, so you can reduce the transparency or increase the brightness. All right, so you can use this to increase the brightness and all that. So that is basically what you can do when you're just trying to make simple t-shirt design. So here you come to captions. These are like stars. All right, yeah, like stars too, so you can use them to equally adjust again. And this is a multiple. A lot of these ones are locked. A lot of them are locked, so you have to pay to use them. And these flowers, all right, so they are equally locked. So I think that's basically all you can do with Test Swag. And as you can see, the options are limited as compared to the test on photo, but you can get both apps and then you can interchange them and try to create good designs that will sell. So that's basically how you use this app to create tests on photos. All right, so once you're done with this test, you can just save it. If you want to add another test, you just click on the plus sign here and then you have the option to add another test. So I'm just going to close that. Once you're done, you click on save and save it. But now let's look at how you can make these things on a transparent background. So I'm just going to go back to the very scratch. So this is transparent. I'm going to pick transparent. So I'm just going to double tap it again, and then I'm going to use I am king. So you can see it's transparent and it's white, so that's why it's difficult for you to see. But once you save it, you're going to see it appear as just I am king, and you can easily move it to wherever you want to move it to. So I'm just going to change it to gray. So there you go. Is that gray or ash? So it has successfully saved, and this is how it's going to appear. All right, so you can just use this image and paste it on a picture or whatever you want to design. All right, so that's how you use this app. I hope you find this video useful. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. My name is Good Noel. I'll see you as soon as possible. Bye bye.